Hello and welcome to this course page. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful and I promise you're not going to be disappointed. My name is Kai France and I'm a web developer, a full stack web developer, crazy about Laravel, crazy about JavaScript, AngularJS, Vue.js. And in this course right here, I want to give you your very best introduction to Laravel. And you're not just going to be learning the introduction, you're going to be learning the theory, the practical, and you're going to be diving deep into advanced feature of Laravel in this tutorial right here. So I'm going to be using a project-based learning approach. Okay, I'm going to be giving you theory. You learn theory, yes, I explain it to you again, but all throughout the course we're going to be building real world project, over 13 hours of content. We're going to be building 4 real world projects in this application right here. So without further ado, let me just demonstrate to you what we're going to be building. So first of all, we're going to be building a to-dos app where I make introductions to the framework and show you what it pertains. So right here you can see we can create a to-do. So maybe I can just say share a cake. And if I hit enter, you see that to-do is submitted, a session is set, and we have your to-do was created message flashed to us. So you can also update a to-do. Rather than buying a skirt, we can maybe buy a shoe. Buy some shoe, and then you see it's updated. We have the message. I can delete it, and you see it's deleted, and we have the appropriate message, and I can also mark as completed. So when I mark it as completed, you see right here it shows completed. So this is something really cool, and it's gonna introduce you to building very powerful applications with Laravel. But I'm not gonna just leave you there. I'm gonna take you to the next project, which is going to be building a complete blog. And when I say complete, I mean complete blog in Laravel. And this is a real blog that you can use for real life applications, right? So right here we have very cool functionality. Anytime a blog post is created from the admin panel, the first blog post right here is the latest post. Right here, this is the second, this is the third. Right here we also see the categories. Right here we have categories, everything. We have email subscription where you can subscribe to MailChimp. We also have dynamic data containing blog information right here. So for example, if you check out this number, let me come over to my admin panel and I'll go to the settings for the blog, and I'm just gonna pull out this last 4 digits right here. And when I hit on update site settings, I refresh right here, you discover that the number of the blog has changed. How cool is that? So you're gonna be learning how to create all this dynamic content. If I click right here to view this blog post right here, you discover we have the title, we have pretty URLs for search engine optimization purposes, we have the content right here, and we are using WYSIWYG editors. We have the creator of the post, because this blog right here has multi-user support, right? So many users are in the system and they can create, and right here we have the information as pertaining to the user that created this post. And also the user has a profile. If I take you back to your administrator, right here we have the profile of the user where she can set up her name or whatever. So right here, since she's the creator of that post, if she just changes her name to Myers, and I'll just say P right here, and I just update her profile, and I come right here and I refresh this blog post, you discover her name automatically is updated. We also have tags functionality, which is the best for search engine optimization. We also have sharing of posts right here to whatever social network you want. You can go ahead and add this when I teach you how to. We also have commenting right here. So each blog post has a comment chat discussion that you can implement. And one of the most cool features is that we have next and previous functionality right here. When your users are reading your blog, they'll be able to go to the next post, go to the previous post, so that they're not going to be disengaged. Okay, so they're going to be engaged in your content. So right here, like I said, we have email support. We can subscribe to our email MailChimp right here. So if I go ahead and just put in this dummy email right here and I click subscribe, you're gonna discover that this is gonna send an email or send your email to MailChimp and successfully subscribe right here. How cool is that? Right here we discover that even the name of the blog is dynamic. All of these are dynamic categories for the blog. If I click on Laravel right here, you see category Laravel, and there is no category, right? There's no post. But if I go to WordPress, you discover that we have one article under WordPress, and it's so cool. There's a lot. We even have search right here. So if I search for a blog post and I say I want to search for Laravel, and I hit enter, you discover we have 2 results for that search. Okay, so we have a lot of functionality. Let me just go ahead and show you around the admin panel. So we can create categories, we can create tags, we can create new users, and we have users of different categories. So for example, this user right here is not an administrator, but Emily is an administrator, so she can access these routes right here. So if Emily is not an administrator, she will not be able to access these pages. So she can also create a new user and give that user appropriate permissions. So we're going to be seeing how to do that. We also have multiple functionality. We can have all posts, and we can trash a post. For example, if I trash this post right here and I refresh the home page of the blog, you discover that the first post has changed and is rather this one, but that post has not been deleted. So if I check out all my trash posts, I can restore right here the post that was deleted. And we also have create categories, we have settings, we have a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, so we're gonna be building this from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you're gonna learn a lot. So that's not all. I'm also gonna be teaching you how to build a complete forum. Guys, this is one of the best stuff, right? I'm gonna be teaching you how to build a complete forum. And just so we don't use the same authentication we used in the blog, we're gonna be putting in some spicy social authentication, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. So right here you see I can log in with my GitHub, and even though the Facebook is not implemented in this case, but the code that I'm going to be teaching you is going to be code that you can use to implement whatever social network you want to implement in less than 100 seconds. So you just need to go to the social network, create a new app, and you put in your details in the app, and you're done. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you that. So let me go ahead and log in right here with my email. And if I log in, you discover that we have a complete forum right here. We have channels. You can see the particular discussions under a particular channel. You can check out if a discussion is closed or open. You can view the discussion right here. You can also mark a discussion as the best answer if you're the creator of that discussion. You see users also have particular user points right here. Maybe the most experienced user right here has maybe 200 points, and you can also watch a discussion, meaning every time this discussion is updated, you're gonna receive an email. How cool is that? So we have a lot of functionality going on right here. We also have like. You can like a discussion, reply. You can also unlike it. You can see the number of people that like that reply. You can also leave a reply, and you can also have filters. So right here, if you want to see only the discussions that you are the one who created, you can see that. You can also have filters to filter just those that do not have, that already have answers, and you can see that right there. So I'm going to be teaching how to create these filters, and you're going to be implementing them like a pro. Okay, now we also have an e-commerce site, guys. This is a lot of content right here. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this default pagination. If you check out our forum right there and I visit the home page, you discover that the pagination by default that comes with Laravel is customized only for Bootstrap, but I'm teaching you how to do custom pagination. I'm going to be teaching you how to create this awesome application. If I add to cart, you discover I have one right there, and I can view my cart. And if I view my cart, you discover I have this product right here. I can update it, and I receive the messages, and I can also check out right here. So if I check out, I can pay with my card, and if I just put in some dummy email right here and just put in some dummy card, because this is obviously testing, and if I just put in maybe 01 right here and I put in 2023 123 and I say no, don't remember me, I can pay 16,000 to my Stripe account. Okay, and if I share my Stripe account right now, this money has just been sent to my Stripe account. So if you see right here, it's gonna send an email to the user that just purchased from our website, and it's gonna tell the user, okay, we've purchased your payment, thank you so much for buying with us, and the cart is emptied, and the user can still go ahead and shop. So these are some cool applications that we're going to be building, and you're going to be learning everything you need to know to begin building powerful web applications. And not just that, at the end of this series, I'm going to be giving you a coupon code for all my courses. So when you take this course, you've automatically taken all my courses at a 50% discount. How cool is that? So I welcome you to this course. We're going to be learning and having a lot of fun. So thank you so much, and see you there.